Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF4047B in color code 8015/3C. It's a black Tiffany blue color frame. The lenses are a gray grading color, and then has a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left lens. Over here on the temples, we have a nice little detailing over here, and a Tiffany & Co. logo in silver. The temples are a black color, and the inside of the frame, it's a Tiffany blue color. This frame is made in Italy. It says that right over here. This is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The style of the frame is a fashion square, and the frame is RXable. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a Tiffany blue color case to put your glasses in, a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a Tiffany & Co. authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.